Good day, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see in the back, we have the perfect winter storm coming up. So we have a system coming up towards the province of Quebec and this Ontario. And there's another system there developing who may go passing, and it's all gonna go starting tomorrow here in the Saguenay region. So the Montreal, the all the way Kingston, all the way to Toronto will be quite a nasty weather. It's the here they're calling for a foot of snow around 25 centimeter, up to gusting to 80 kilometers. So that's 50 miles per hour roughly. And I'm even texting Joe because Joe is going to Brampton right today, and well, I'm gonna publish that video on the 25th, so on Sunday. But right now, all hands on deck. I need to brace for that storm coming up because obviously we're gonna lose power. So I'm gonna put my generator on standby mode. So I'm gonna take it in a corner. This thing will be much easier. I will also do like Joe was telling me. I'm gonna put my train on my tractor. If I had that train and it will break the ice, will be able to move out of there. He was stuck on that very slick ice. So I found a kind of goodie. That's a lesson learned for me. So now I'm gonna put my chains back. So so that video you're going to see that Joe is texting me right now. What is he saying? Just hold on, guys. You can see that in live. Alright, he's sitting me. Then he's not driving alone. There's somebody else who can drive a chopper and a helicopter with him. So so he's in good hands with. He's not alone driving down to Brampton. So. Yes, on that video, you're gonna see me putting the chain on my tower, on my tractor tower. I'm gonna move a little bit around. You're not gonna see it, but I'm gonna put my generator on standby and stick around because I'm on leave starting now. Today we are the 22nd. So at the end of the day, or probably tomorrow, we'll see. I will have a surprise for you at the end of the video. You understand why I have my channel name. All right. So yeah, that's pretty nasty. I mean, here in the Saguenay region, the radio said, listen, we're gonna lose power. We're gonna have a lot of amount of snow. So the tractor is full, the car is full. I've got everything ready inside the house. I'm doing my washing, my food fridge is all full. I have food for 2 weeks. Matter of fact, I'm planning, and now the planning is inside the garage. All right, so stick around. Cheers. Like you can see, it's one of the first. No, it was already reached -20, but this morning it's -16, and it will warm up during the day up to 0 degrees Celsius tomorrow during that windstorm. So this morning everything is quiet except my puppy dogs. And yes, you can see the surrounding very nice blue skies. And I'm gonna work mostly in the garage today to get ready for that storm and also putting the chains. As predicted, all the snow is packed because it was quite humid the last 2 days. So by packing the snow, that creates a very firm snow base. So that will be ready when I'm gonna snow plow and snow blow that all that snow was supposed to have. All right, so I mean they're calling for almost a foot of snow. So yeah, and the wind are gonna came from the as you can see, the sun is right above my neighbor. The east is towards like that, so the wind will go like this. So yeah, That would be, hey Ruby. That would be a very interesting to see in film. All right, so I'm gonna put the puppy dogs who like to play with my mitts when I'm talking. All right, so stick around. Cheers. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, 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 yes. All right, cheers. All right, so I'm just entering in the garage right now. I was maintaining my garage roughly around 40 Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius, and I kicked out the heat and also put the ceramic heater on, like those little heaters as you see. I have one there, the one is down there. So I need to rearrange my garage for that because my generator is in the back there. That should be good, but I'm gonna put it in easier way. If I need it, you just have to pull it and everything is gonna be good. I'm gonna put the like I was telling you, the chain on my tractor. So I'm not gonna make a video about. I have many videos on me seeing you guys seeing me putting the chain on the tractor. So go see on my tractor playlist, maintenance playlist. You see a lot of guys are asking me where did I buy my chain at the tractor dealer. What type are they? They're Triggs tower chains. They have many videos on how they put them on their ATVs, trucks, cars. Yes, in Europe, in Germany, they have chains for their car when they go in the mountain. They have a stop area where the people can put their chains and then they go back on the road. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. All right. Cheers. All right, gentlemen and ladies, what I've done today, this morning, I put the chains on the tractor. Trust me, putting oily chain on the tractor tires, it's a slippery business. All right. Now after that, I put the mower deck on the John Deere. Then I did a light cleanup around my shop, and then I simulated an emergency generator activation plan. I didn't did that. Oh man, when I say it will be done really fast. Okay, so I just have to move stuff like that easy. Just put the generator like this, and yeah. Other than that, so tomorrow we'll wait for that big storm. I will put that on the video, and then we'll show you other stuff. Okay, so I promised something at the end, so I'm going to do that right now. All right, cheers. All right, so welcome to my vintage 1950s basement. And yeah, that's about half of my little house. There's an extension in the back, and the other side there's a lot of storage. It's basically everything I had in my basement when I was in Shefford is on the other side. It's still in boxes. I have all my books in there. The reason here it's free is I had plans to renovate this side of the basement, but before doing that, I got to install a P-trap sewage drain. There's a collective water there, so that's good. And then I will basically do the basement here. Now the question is when. So been busy. However, this is the first video about my stove that I bring myself. I will have an incoming video once my chimney is installed. Sadly, you know all the story, then I was not able to finish the chimney because the part went missing. So I'm still waiting for that part, or maybe I didn't make my mind yet. Maybe I'm gonna finish it with bricks. I didn't call a brickman about that, so we'll see. All right. So now I'll buy my last. Like I promised you, this will be a nice setup here. Well, nice setup. You'll see about the last part of my video. All right. So I'm gonna do that. Cheers. Well, after an hour and a half of cleaning up the train, so this is the Power Express. I have all the boxes in there, quite noisy. Kind of a surprise, so let's do a close view. Hold on, be back. All right. Well, Merry Christmas to everyone. The train track, basically I have to pass a little bit cloth to clean the tracks. There's a little bit of it's aluminum tracks, so I need to clean it a little bit, because as you can see I have my ohm meter, ammeter, voltmeter. At some spot they have no electricity, so I managed to clean it. I bought the Power Express really train set in 2006, and then I bought 3 more wagon. I don't remember the last time I put it on. It must have been at least minimum 5 years, so yeah. So I just have to clean it and stuff like that. All right, so please take care of yourself. I hope you see my, because it's quite dark here. So it's very sad, and I'll have my wood stove running. It will be so nice. All right, so thank you very much for all the outstanding support. Please do take care of yourself, right? And your family, your loved ones. Cheers. Bye. See you guys.